or this is gonna be a good one today. So I was digging around in the yard one day and I found an old exhaust system that was buried in the ground that I made for a truck I used to have. Now this pipe was on the end after the muffler. Now I don't know what this looks like to you, but I see one thing on this. Yes, we're gonna do that. I got the welding equipment for this boy, so we're gonna actually do this right. Now, I cut this hole here, that's roughly the right shape. Made this little adapter for this. So the deal is, this is gonna go on like that, and then we're gonna weld this end onto here. And this plate is going to go here at the bottom, and I'm going to drill a hole in it for just drainage purposes. So I'm going to use the shallow penetration rods to get that welded on. Now I am still pretty bad at this, so bear with me. Now that is fucking awful. But you know what? Good enough. That was the first time I've ever stick welded, so fight me. So now we're just gonna tack that on there. Then I'm gonna put a brace on here to hold that in place so it doesn't break off. Now if that ain't just the most ridiculous thing you've ever seen, complete with horrifically bad welds, but goddamn. Alright, we got a Chooch right now. Let's do it. Yes! Oh my god, it's perfect. Come on now, stay running, please. It's perfect! Alright, now that we know that's good, let's get this thing reinforced. That is just so stupid looking, but it's amazing. Completed. Shoot! Yes. Only a couple exhaust leaks. We don't need to worry about those. I love that. Come on now.